guys, hope you all are doing great. So I'm sure most of you already know that I love pampering my skin by various ways, and one of the skincare product that I love using is a sheet mask. I have been using sheet mask for more than 2.5 years now. So I'm super excited to tell you guys about L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Sheet Mask. I have talked about Crystal Micro Essence on my channel twice. I think I have done 2 videos on Crystal Micro Essence and how much I love that product. So there are so many skincare benefits of Crystal Micro Essence Sheet Mask that I'm going to share with you in the video, so keep on watching. So this is the only mask that penetrates deeper into your skin, up to 10 layers deeper into your skin, and gives you that beautiful crystal clear, brighter and supple skin. L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Sheet Mask holds up so much essence that it leaves your skin feeling hydrated for up to 48 hours. I applied the same mask before doing my makeup today, and my skin is feeling so much hydrated even with makeup on. It is feeling hydrated, it is feeling very soft when I'm touching my face, and I love how thin, breathable and light the sheet mask is. It is very thin, it is very light, it just fits very nicely to the face and it doesn't drop down because it is very light. So using the mask is very easy. You can also read the instructions given on the back of the sheet mask. Just tear the mask back and take out the sheet mask. Make sure it is nicely open before you apply it on your face. Apply it on your face very nicely and then let it sit for at least 15 minutes. I love to relax during that time, read a book, and then I remove it and massage the essence into my skin very gently, and you can see the immediate instant results. The sheet mask is made of sponge cotton and it absorbs a lot of essence and just deliver it back to your skin. That is the reason why skin feels so juicy, plump and bright after you take the mask off. I'm going to share a few benefits of L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Sheet Mask. So it deeply nourishes your skin and works amazingly on all skin types, because no matter what your skin type is, your skin can always feel dehydrated, which means we need something additional to keep it looking hydrated and supple. The price of the sheet mask is 150 rupees and you can use it up to 3 times a week. I will highly recommend you guys to check out L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Sheet Mask. You can buy this one or a pack of 5. I'm going to link both in the description box below. So that was a quick and crisp review of L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Sheet Mask. If you liked it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.